Hey guys, it's Jose. I'm going to show you how I set up a tracking mechanism on a grinder. See, I got my contact wheel here. This toolbar is a solid aluminum toolbar that I had machined, so this wheel is dead on. This everything is based off of this center bar right here. These two back bars here, the uprights, keep this top arm completely straight with the bottom one. So as long as everything is set off of this main thing right here to this arm, the tracking wheel will be dead on. So let me show you how I do that. Tracking mechanism has already been put together. I use a really heavy-duty tracking mechanism. It may not look like it from the pictures, but this piece right here is a 20 millimeter bolt, which is about the size of your index finger, so it's pretty beefy. That bolt there is real big too. So back here I use 1/2-inch steel. It's welded on to the two L's that are 1/4 inch, and then the actually 20 millimeter bolt is welded onto the pivot block, which is also 1/2 inch by 1.5 by 2 inches. So this is a fairly heavy piece of tracking mechanism. It's not a lightweight thing. It's all integrated into one piece. So this is a really tough tracking mechanism. Okay, so I set this here. Okay, so double check by putting this tracking mechanism on the wheel, and then I look down at the level and the frame on that little edge right there, and if those two lines line up perfectly, then I know that I'm in good shape. It'll be from this top edge to this edge of the level. I use a Stabila level. These are the best levels you can get. They're really well made, so this lets me know exactly if I am on. I can line it up with the bar or the tool arm. So let me drop it. I'll also drop it down to the wheel, see how that lines up, and then I'll put it on the wheel, and that is lined up. The last thing to do is to put a belt on it and double check how the tracking works. Okay, let me turn this on. As you can see, this belt edge is pretty much right there on both sides of the wheel. It is also dead on the tracking wheel. I use a 2-inch wide tracking wheel, so it tells me right away if I'm on or if I'm off. It's one of the plus sides of using a 2-inch wide tracking wheel instead of an extra wide one. I know exactly where the belt is and how everything is lined up. Didn't take much adjustment. Got quite a bit of experience setting these, and it's on the center of the motor wheel, so I know this is good. So the next step is to take off the top arm, unbolt it from back here, and take it to the drill press, and go ahead and drill the bolt holes to lock this in. Sometimes I will actually take a paint pen or a fine point Sharpie like this and mark it just to be sure that nothing gets moved in the process of setting this up or drilling the holes. And that's pretty much it. I'll show you the little marks I make on it right there. And I've always got my two vice grips that I use. This one is for the back, and then this needle nose large one is for the front. Next step after this is drilled up is put the handle in and then put the cap on it, and then I will set up the flat platen. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.